Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, finally. Yeah. First one. My mother left a month ago. Begin. It has.
Miss May,
It has been a month since my mother has left.
It has been a month since my mother left. Okay, that's perfect. Next. Anil was wrong to lose his temper. Begin Anil oath. Oath means should. Okay.
Miss May,
Yeah, go ahead, Parth.
Anil ought to be wrong to lose his temper.
Oath means should. Now assume oath should, to be should, and now frame your sentence.
Miss, may I?
Yeah.
Anil ought not to lose his
Anil
temper.
ought not to lose his temper. Anil should not lose his temper. Okay, that's how it is. Anil ought not to lose his temper. Okay, that's correct. किसी को doubt है?
No,
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
miss.
can you repeat the sentence?
Anil ought not to lose his temper.
Ma'am, can I try the next one?
Yeah, can you read the question as well?
As soon as the chief guest had seated himself, if the play began no sooner. No sooner had the chief guest.
क्वेश्चन करेक्ट कर रही हूँ. As soon as the chief guest had seated himself, the play began. If नहीं आएगा, okay? If has to be
Yes,
corrected.
miss.
हाँ.
Miss, can I?
Yeah, now give the
No
answer.
sooner, no sooner had the chief guest seated himself than the play began.
No sooner did the chief guest seat, okay, had the chief guest seated himself, okay, then the play began. Okay, so there are two alternatives with no sooner. अगर आप had use कर रहे हो, okay, then you must use seated. If आप did use कर रहे हो, then you must use seat. Okay, so if you're using had after no sooner, you should use the past participle of seat. If you are using did after no sooner, you should use the present participle of seat. Keep that in mind. After that, then the play began. Okay, so no sooner did the chief guest seat himself, then the play began. No sooner had the chief guest seated himself, then the play began. Okay, both are
So,
fine.
ma'am, mine is right or wrong?
Can you repeat your answer? You used had, right?
Yes.
So you must
No
use
sooner
seated.
had the chief guest seated himself than the play began.
That's fine.
How you told, I have written like that only.
Yeah. So I'm giving you both the alternatives. Whichever you have chosen is correct, but it should go in that order. Okay. Did with present participle and had with past participle. Okay. Next question. 36th. Rally. Oh, sorry. Huh. It's again a mistake. It should be Rajiv. I'm so sorry. Okay. Rajiv said to Arjun, is this the book you were reading yesterday? Question mark.
Miss May,
Begin. Rajiv asked Arjun. Yeah, Parth, go ahead.
Rajiv asked Arjun if this was the book he was reading yesterday.
No. When you're changing from direct to indirect, the
Miss,
present
may
will
I?
change to past. Yeah, Renuka.
Rajiv asked Arjun if that was the book he had been reading the last.
The last day or the day before. Okay. So Rajiv asked Arjun if this will become that. That was the book. You were की जगह he had been reading yesterday की जगह पे the day before or the last day. Got it?
Ma'am, I have used previous day.
Previous day is also fine. The day before the previous day. Okay. So don't forget, whenever we are changing from direct to indirect speech, the present tense in your direct quoted speech changes to past. This will change to that. He becomes, you becomes he or she depending upon your subject. Okay, next question. Only a foolish person would be taken in by his trick. Begin none. So whenever you start none, but is followed. Gaurish, can we hear your voice for a change? Gaurish?
Ma'am, can I try?
Yeah, Gauri, go ahead.
None but a foolish person would be taken in by this trick.
Taken in by this trick. Okay. None but a foolish person would be taken in by this trick. Or you can also say none other than a foolish person would be taken in by this trick. So none but or none other than, both are acceptable. Next question. Everybody has heard of Gandhiji. Begin with who?
Can I?
Miss, may I?
Yeah, Ananya.
Who hasn't heard about Gandhiji?
Heard of Gandhiji. Okay, we won't change the preposition. Who
Okay.
hasn't heard of Gandhiji, or
Gandhiji.
who has not heard of Gandhiji, followed by a question mark. Next question. He will issue the check only when he hears from the head office. Begin on.
Yes, can I?
Okay, Ananya, go ahead.
On hearing from the head office, he will issue the check.
On hearing from the head office, he will issue the check. Okay. Next question. Father will send you a message if his flight is cancelled. Begin should. Now this is a little tricky.
Miss, may I?
Okay,
Ma'am, can I?
Renuka, try.
Should his flight be cancelled, comma, father will send you a
Okay, should his name, should the flight be
Ma'am,
cancelled?
can I try?
See, your principal clause should not have a preposition, because when you say his at the principal clause, we don't know who he is. Okay, so should the flight be cancelled, comma, father will send you a message. Okay, should the flight be cancelled, comma, father will send you a message. Pronouns are only used when the noun is already introduced in the sentence. No doubts?
Ma'am,
No,
can you
miss.
again tell the answer?
Should the flight be cancelled, comma, father will send you a message.
Excuse me, Miss.
Hmm?
Miss, from question number 41 to question number 48, the questions are repeated.
Oh yeah.
Yes, miss.
Yes, you're correct. So we'll freeze them for now. Okay. We don't need them. Okay. We'll directly move to 49. Okay. Start solving them.
Miss, is the 49 question correct?
Yes, I think it is wrong.
It's corrected now.
Yes. Miss,
Yes, Aditya.
Miss, can you check the 51th one? Rewrite using same word as come, I think.
Rewrite using. Just a second, beta. It should be rewrite using to.
Yes, miss.
Done, miss.
Okay, let's start. First one. This horse is better trained than yours. Begin your. Adarsh.
Listening.
Adarsh. Can we have the zombies of the class speaking? Okay, Adarsh गायब हो गया. Okay, that was hell of a scare. Garima?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Your horse is not well trained as this.
Your horse is not that well trained as this. Okay, so if that was missing, okay, your
Okay, ma'am.
horse is not that well trained as this. We are just comparing with this horse. That doesn't mean he's not well trained. Okay, your horse is not that well trained that this. Okay, as this, sorry. Next question. The children will sit out in the garden if the weather is cool. Begin. The children won't.
Miss, can I?
Miss, may I?
Miss,
Yeah,
can I?
Aditya. Aditya, go ahead.
Is the children won't be able to sit outside if the weather is cool.
Won't be able to sit out in the garden unless the weather is cool. Okay,
Yes, miss.
won't be able to sit out, yeah, won't sit out, both are acceptable. The children won't sit out in the garden unless the weather is cool. Unless is
Yes,
like
miss.
the condition. Okay, next, the thief ran so fast that the police could not catch him. Rewrite using two.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yeah, Shivanjali.
The thief ran too fast that the police could not catch him.
The thief ran too fast for, who can try this one?
For the police to catch him.
For the police to catch him. Okay, 2 and 4 go together.
Miss, may I try that?
Huh?
Miss, the thief ran too fast to be caught by police.
For the police to catch him only, my dear. Okay, for the police to catch him. Next question. Her attitude often annoys me. Rewrite using annoyance. Annoyance is the noun form of annoys, which is verb.
Miss, may I? Her attitude is often the cause for my annoyance.
Her attitude is often cause for my annoyance. That is correct. और कोई alternative answer है?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
My annoyance often because of her attitude.
Can you repeat that?
My annoyance is often because of her attitude.
Okay, that is also cool. Okay, I was trying, actually my answer was her attitude often causes annoyance to me. Okay, her attitude often causes annoyance to me. Okay, next question. The child disappeared as soon as the bus stopped. Use hardly. Begin hardly.
Ma'am, can
Sorry.
I try?
Yes, may I?
Yeah. Oh, that was Gauri, right?
Ma'am, it was me,
Devashri.
Devashri.
Sorry, yeah, please.
Hardly the children. No, sorry. Hardly did the bus stopped when the children disappeared.
Hardly did the bus stop. Did के बाद में पास्ट पार्टिसिपल नहीं आता है, डिड के बाद में प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल आता है, इसलिए स्टॉप नॉट स्टॉप्ड. हैड के बाद में पास्ट पार्टिसिपल आता है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, हार्डली डिड द बस स्टॉप देन द चाइल्ड डिसअपियर्ड.
Miss,
या
miss, hardly had can be used.
हैड यूज किया तो स्टॉप्ड आएगा. ओके,
Yes, miss.
in any situation if you are using did, you should use present participle. अगर had यूज कर रहे हो तो past participle यूज करना है. That's the thumb rule. Okay, hardly did the bus stop then the child disappeared, or hardly had the bus stopped then the child disappeared. Okay, both are fine. Next question. There is no success without effort. Begin whenever.
Ma'am, may I?
Yeah, Garima.
Whenever there is effort, there is success.
Correct. Next question. Can I expect Isha? Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
I never hear your voice. Okay, so please give me answer for the next one. Please teach me to cycle. She asked her brother. Rewrite it in direct form.
She asked her brother to teach her to cycle.
She asked her brother to teach her cycle, or you can also say she requested her brother to teach her cycle. To cycle, sorry. She requested her brother to teach her to cycle. Next question. The peasants regarded him as a thief and called him a villain. End with, just a second, what's this? End with the peasants.
Miss, may I try?
This is actually
Miss,
active
can I?
passive voice. Yeah.
Miss,
Yeah,
he was regarded as a thief and called a villain by the peasants.
correct. He was regarded as a thief and called a villain by the peasants. This
Mhm.
was a very classic example of active passive voice. Okay. On completing this, we will move back to our time and tenses worksheet where we were doing present tense. Okay, just a second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, can I share my syllabus with you?
Just a second. Just give me a second, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Uh, Yeah. Who was that?
Ma'am Devashri.
Yeah, Devshri. We
Ma'am,
from Ryan.
sorry, ma'am.
You're from Ryan?
No, ma'am, I'm from Podar.
Okay. Help.
My exams are going on, unit tests. So my language paper is on 13 July,
Okay.
in which I have subject verb agreement, active and passive voice, tenses and their uses 1 and 2, sequences of tenses, direct and indirect speech, and synthesis, and letter writing and notice writing.
Synthesis is something that normally we do at the end because it compiles your what do you say, simple complex sentences. Okay, that we won't be covering now. Other than that, I guess we have covered most of them. What is left? हमारा direct indirect voice बाकी है सिर्फ, right? Devashri?
Yes, ma'am.
Only direct indirect voice is pending, and tenses, some portion of tenses is pending. So what I can do for you is, before your exam I can brush you through the remaining tenses portion and direct indirect voice, so that you can at least attempt the paper. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, what about sequences of tenses?
See, question number 5 is sequence of tenses. Okay, I
Okay,
may not
ma'am.
have taken the chapter separately, but we are already practicing it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, see, the portion will vary across schools. Okay, it's not possible for me to cover 100% of it, but definitely you will be in a good position to attempt the paper. Don't worry about that. Okay, I'll just take a separate small session for you where I will cover the remaining portion which we haven't covered. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Devashri. Okay, so coming to your question number 5, um I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay. और एक और चीज मुझे शेयर करना था for the paper that you guys have received after checking the unseen passage. The attempt was bad. Okay, first thing. uh, Second thing, pressy writing, it was again bad. See what you guys have done, you simply read the passage, you don't understand it, and you just copy paste the content from the passage. The whole and sole idea of unseen passage is that you understand the paragraphs or you understand the passage, interpret it in your own language and give your answers. If you are just going to merely copy and paste, trust me, you're not getting full marks. Okay, because that's not the requirement from the board. Second thing, pressy writing may pressy writing means summary. Okay, summary may, I still had papers where there was no grade was missing. So if there is no grade, papers are not going to get checked. First thing. Second thing, try to understand the target paragraph on which you're supposed to write the summary. Okay, आप लोगों ने 3 पिलर्स मेंशन किए सब लोगों ने, इसलिए 3 मार्क्स इजीली मिल गए हैं सबको. बट इफ यू हैव नॉट इंक्लूडेड द रिक्वायर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दोस पिलर्स, marks are not being given for that. Okay, and also you guys have lost marks where it came to prepositions. Okay, so any reason that I can you can help me understand why you guys are going wrong? कोई difficulty है? Guys, I'm trying to take feedback from your side. So definitely the marks are on the lesser side. Okay, do you feel the what do you say, the preparation or the effort was lesser on my side? Do you want something more from my side? Or should I assume you did not prepare for it at all? अरे कुछ तो बोलो, मैं डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, मैं गुस्सा नहीं कर रही हूँ. आदित्य, गरिमा, निधि, रेणुका. Okay, I'll assume that things are quite good on my side. It's you who were lacking with all the practice. Okay. आदित्य, बोलना चाहते हो कुछ? Okay, I
No,
can't
ma'am.
hear you. Okay, fine. Let's move to question number 5. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please solve. And हाँ, तुम्हारा ये भी fill in the numbered blanks भी. मैंने number 1 blank दिया था past tense में to give you a very clear cut indication कि आगे के blanks भी past में ही होंगे. I have got answers in present tenses and future tenses. I don't know why. We have been practicing this for quite a while now, so you should at least understand that much. Okay, so please.
Miss,
Huh?
Miss, you have took the practice of the uh, Miss. Miss, आपने जो प्रैक्टिस लिया था आज, उसका मतलब जो क्वेश्चन में आता है ज्वाइन द सेंटेंस विद बट एंड विदाउट, उसका प्रैक्टिस ले सकते हैं क्या आप?
Join the sentences ka na. I'll be taking
Yes.
everything, don't
Yes,
worry. I will make you solve all board papers. Huh? These were board questions, so I will make you solve
yes,
all the board questions in the class, so don't worry. The only thing I need from your side is sincerely solving it. Okay.
yes.
Okay, so for now, start solving question number 5. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so I'll
Yes,
start
ma'am.
reading. Just keep on giving the answers. Processing of municipal solid waste has more than
Doubled.
doubled in
Double.
urban areas in past 1 year. So this past 1 year was a clear indication for past tense. Government data
Showed.
shows this may end little over 54% of municipal solid waste
Generated.
generated across urban
Was
areas,
generated.
Processed.
Processed.
assessed as
Compared.
about
Compared.
25%
As
a year
compared.
back. So I'll just repeat this first paragraph. Processing of municipal solid waste has more than doubled in urban areas in past 1 year. Government data shows this may end little over 54% of municipal solid waste generated across urban areas processed as compared to about 25% a year back. According to official data in 17 states, including Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, and Uttarakhand, the share of garbage being processed was less than the national average. Meghalaya is the
Worst.
worst
Worst.
state where only about 4% of the trash
Collected.
Collected.
Was
collected
collected.
is being
Treated.
treated. In Delhi, about 55% of garbage is processed. Okay, that was clear. Moving to next part, fill in the blank with an appropriate word.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Devashri.
Ma'am, what was the seventh answer?
Seventh answer was a collected.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll quickly at least complete fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Okay, before winding up.
Miss, do we have to also solve the C question?
No, for now only B question. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we start, everyone else?
Yes, miss.
Okay, first one. The army stood dash in case of trouble.
Up.
Stood up.
Miss, may I?
Yeah.
By.
Stood by. Stood by. What's the meaning of stood by?
Ma'am, can I try this one?
Yeah, stood by is correct, but I'm trying to ask you what's the meaning of stood by?
Miss, it means they are ready.
Ready to give their support, so always available for the fight, always ready for the support. Okay, the army stood by in case of trouble. Second, will you look dash this assignment and tell me what you think?
Miss, may I?
Yeah,
At.
will you look at this assignment, will you look into this assignment?
Miss, for.
No, not for. आपको ये assignment देखना है, you have to go through. So will you look at this assignment, or will you look into this assignment, or will you look through this assignment and tell me what you think? So I'm asking the person to check the assignment. Okay, so I've given you 3 answers. Third one, this belt doesn't go dash those shoes. Very simple.
With.
With.
With is
With.
with is the answer. It doesn't go with this shoes. Fourth one, don't let your enthusiasm carry you
On.
Away.
Forward.
away means to distract you from the path. Don't let your enthusiasm carry you away. Fifth one, the new government has brought dash many changes.
In.
Up.
Brought about many changes. Brought in bhi chalega. Okay. Sixth, the traffic was held dash for 4 hours.
Up.
Held up, that means the traffic was stagnant for 4 hours. Held up. Seventh, they have carried dash the first prize.
Up.
Huh?
On.
Carried on or carried away, both are fine. Carried on or carried away the first prize, that means they have taken the first prize. Eighth, the villager asked them to move dash the river.
From.
Move from the river नहीं हो सकता है. Either you can say move
Away.
Towards.
either move towards the river, or move across the river, or move along the river. Okay, from के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए ना reference. From, move away from the river हो सकता था, only from cannot be used. Okay, so move away, no, sorry, not move across the river, move towards the river, or move along the river. Okay, you have 3 options, whichever you may choose. Okay, so for now we'll wind up over here. Keep practicing. Okay, the more you practice, the more you will make lesser mistakes in your grammar section. Baki ka we'll keep on practicing. Essay part we haven't touched yet, so we'll try to touch that part maybe next lecture. Let's see. Okay, or maybe after we complete this particular worksheet. So for now we'll wind up. Okay, guys, any doubt you may ask me right now.
No, miss, no doubt.
Okay.
No doubts, ma'am.
Okay, guys. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.